made this one.
Bitch. Big swag, you know we locked in. Dog got pints that ain't hit. I'm trying to cop 10. On the interstate, getting head in the drop beans. 30 milligram RPs on the
What's going on? It's your boy Tio here. Got another vlog. We out here showing y'all. If you own a G35 like myself, and you notice, oh, it's burning a little bit of oil, you just need this little part right here. We gonna dive right into it. We're gonna dive right into it. This is your, let me open it. This is your PCV valve. This can cause a lot of blood clot in the engine. Let's see what happens. What you're gonna need is a 24 mil deep socket, because a short one's not gonna work. The little nipple piece I showed you where the hose connects on the PCV valve is gonna hit. So you need a deep socket, don't mess around. A 24 mil deep socket or 15/16s if you're on that Imperial type beat. And obviously a ratchet, and you're gonna need needle nose pliers. Unless your fingers are strong enough to pull the little hose clamp off. So this is the G35. You guys have probably seen this bare times. I showed you this is my old setup from last year. All right, so shout out Canadian Tire for always hooking it up. I mean, they don't hook it up, they just have tools, and I went there and bought it. It's probably not recommended to do when the engine's hot. Fuck it. So basically, you're just gonna look at your plenum here, right? You're gonna see this hose that comes out. You're just gonna follow it, and it goes here to right there. See where my middle finger is? And that's the PCV right in there. All right, so you're just gonna use the needle nose to move this clamp a little bit, pull the hose off, and then you're just gonna get into her. If you watch the intake install, the Z1 intake install, you know I was tweaking. Right now I'm not tweaking. I'll be honest with you, I don't know if you're gonna need an extension, but I got one anyway. We're good to go. So just gonna do this, take that. Oh yeah, chupapi mañeño. Obviously not too tight because it's plastic and a plastic valve cover, right? So you've seen I loosened it with the ratchet, so I should be able to just do the rest by hand. Whew. Yeah, I don't recommend doing this when the engine's hot. Basically, the only reason I'm doing this is because it's only like 20 bucks for the PCV valve. And I noticed every time I do an oil change, it's fucking, the oil's dirty fast. Yo, the fucking, what is that, a Freightliner? Freightliner is loud, boys. He got a Tomei on that bitch. But yeah, this is the PCV. Let's put it in the light for you. This is my old one. Not bad. Here's the new one, obviously. Let's put it in the light. That's the old one. It's got these 4 little circles here. This one doesn't. A lot of people said the same thing, but if you listen, fucking stupid truck. You can kind of hear the little thing shaking in there like I was saying before, and then you take the new one. Oh, it's the same. He said, well, in his video he shook it, and the old one, you could hear it like, and then the new one was like, so like, I'm gonna set you guys up because this is my daily driver. I don't want to fuck that thing up. He was like, just put some little bit of oil on the gasket. So we just gonna put my finger where the PCV valve was. Look at my dirty ass oil, 2,000 miles on that shit. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna notice much of a difference until I do another oil change. And then I'm gonna watch how long does it take for the oil to get dirty. Cause like because this car's American, so in about 1,000 miles, or like just under 1,000, the oil gets I find the oil gets dirty fast. So they were like, someone told me, oh, try doing a PCV. So I looked into it and I was like, how hard is it? Like, I didn't honestly know what a PCV valve looked like or how hard it was. And then I looked and I'm like, are you fucking serious? Slightly tighten it. Okay, I think that's good, because honestly I'm fucking scared to go any tighter than that. And then we're just gonna take the hose, ow, not be a pussy. Ooh, clean connect, baby. And we're gonna take the needle nose again and make sure she's clamped and sealed, because we don't want any oil popping out of here. I also heard though, bad PCV valves can throw an engine light. I'm taking the time to maintain this fucking VQ, eh? I haven't done coils or spark plugs or anything, but I was like, yo, PCV could be done, fam. No, fucking that one's bugsy. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that shit's fucked. See, now I'm getting into the tweaking segment. Anyway, simple, easy install for you fucking idiots that drive these cars and fucking beat the shit out of them and don't maintain them. Like, honestly, people like that, just go fuck yourself. Stop driving these cars. Anyway, look at that. Z1, baby. I love you guys at Z1 Motorsports. You guys are awesome. But this is just for me. Everyone just ends the video when they put the fucking PCV in. But I was like, fuck you. Fuck you and ending your video. I don't care if you trust your work. I want to make sure my work's good. I trust my work, but I like to make sure everything's blessed. So we're gonna start her up. You Canadian Tire for fucking robbing me and fucking signing me up for some stupid ass fucking triangle credit card that I don't give a fuck about. Because I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a G35, I hope this fucking helped you. This is a more fucking like relatable video than all those other fucks. They just said, oh yeah, you do it like this, do it like that, all right, and this is the end of the video. No, turn your fucking car on, see if your fucking stupid ass fucked it up to make sure it's not leaking and shit, dog. Come on now. I don't think these kids understand. I daily drive this bitch every day to work, back, drive with my friends, link up all this bullshit. And I drive this bitch through the winter. I ain't putting this bitch away. Y'all niggas like, oh, blah, 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 these, blah, 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 that. You got rust here, you got rust that. Bitch, this bitch driven all year round. Fuck you. No, I ain't got no oil spray. Nigga, fuck I look like, you heard? This works from 2003 to 2007. Any G35 with the VQ35DE, not the HR, guys, not the HR. I don't know about that. I've never had a real dual intake 3.5 HR, all right? So don't even ask me about that. But yeah, this is also the same if you have like no knowledge on these things because you're just, you know, you're just the average Joe. This is the same PCV. Whoa, I don't know why I was pointing that way. Same PCV on, you guessed it, a Nissan Pathfinder, Nissan Murano, Nissan Maxima, Nissan 350Z, Nissan Altima with the 3.5 in it. Any Nissan with the VQ35DE, this is the same PCV. So you Maxima niggas, you Altima SER niggas, you Pathfinder niggas, you Murano niggas. What did I forget in here? I ain't forgetting nothing in there? All right, get on this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more little bullshit like this. And like I said, I'm trying to be more consistent, but it's really hard. It's really hard. But I got this PCV valve and I was like, oh, this is a perfect video, boys. Perfect video. Perfect content. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And that's it. See you.